Welcome to cvdfilms. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Thank you, WinBridge, for sponsoring the video. Hi guys, welcome back to a new review video. Sorry we did not vlog Christmas. I didn't feel good. Again, like I said in the previous video, I go through these days where I don't feel well, and Christmas was one of them. Plus, I didn't want to dampen your holiday by me not feeling well. So, we are going to be uploading videos every week now that Vlogmas is over. Okay, this package right here is from WinBridge. Oh yeah, thank you WinBridge for sponsoring this video. This is cvdfilms. Let's open it up. WinBridge. This is what WinBridge sent us. It is a voice amplifier for teachers, tour guides, instructors, youth counselors, professors, clowns, elderly, and who have soft voice. It's the S619 version.
Open it up.
Here's the charger, and here's the necklace, the lanyard, because you can wear it around your neck. So there's a lanyard, and this is the voice amplifier. Yeah. And here's the earpiece, so you can Bluetooth it. How do you put this on? Here's the microphone. Oh, okay. And then here's the block. Gotta have that block to charge it. And here's the aux cord. And this is what it's called. Can you see it? We're gonna go ahead and put it together, and we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We had to plug these cords in to here, the block. Then we had to put the aux in to the amplifier, and then we put the necklace thingy on. And then we connected this because this comes off, like the little microphone can come off. Yes. Okay, so the microphone is on. Now let's turn it on. Hello? 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 Can you hear me?
How do you feel?
Hi, welcome to my channel.
Leave it on.
Can you hear me? The link to buy this object is in the description box down below. Buy it, because I like it. It works really good for sound voices. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. I'm gonna fall asleep on camera. I don't want to do that, because I know you snore. sponsor it. Right here you have the owner manual and other products you can buy. There's tons more. That looks cool. I might have to check it out. Wow. Is this the end of the video? Okay, no, it's not. This microphone is universal. It can go in your ears or you can put it on your neck. This is the most comfortable position for me, is on my neck. So this product is worth $100. It's on sale for
$69.
$69, basically $70. Go snag it. We are not making any money from this. They gave us a discount code for you to use. It is WinBridge10. Go snag it. Tell them CVD Films sent you. It is the original voice amplifier S619. It is the UHF version. We have a website. It is winbridge.com.
Link is in bio.
Link is in bio, definitely. The package includes the speaker unit, this thing right here, the wireless mic, this thing right here, the charger, the charging cable, and the manual, and a WinBridge brochure. That way you can see the other products that they have. Yeah, this goes on your neck. Yeah. This is the brochure, and this is the owner's manual, user manual, same thing. The aux cord and charger. Well, yeah, amplifier built-in 2200 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, could run 6 to 8 hours on a single charge. Support Bluetooth, aux, USB driver, and TF card to play music. And the updated wireless headset microphone U8 can support 4 to 5 hours working after fully charged. So this is small enough to fit in your purse or your backpack or whatever, and you can transmit it from 50 feet. Good for teachers if you gotta yell at your kids. It's good for instructors.
Yell at us about so we can get it.
Hello. Listen, are you even watching the video? Hello. Stop scrolling through the comment section. Stop scrolling through the comment section, okay? It's good for clowns, elderly people, can't talk that loud, tour guides, youth counselors, and professors. So yeah, all you have to do is put it on your neck, or, cause like I said, you can put this on your ears and then put this around your neck, or yeah. I really love this video. I mean, this amplifier, cause now I can talk like this. If you buy this product, make sure you let them know CVD Films sent you. CVD Films sent you. Yeah, everything will be in the description box down below. That is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. And if you buy the product, make sure you let them know CVD Films sent you, and help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can do our giveaway. Use the discount code down below. And yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.